Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Two Guys in a Toolbox. Still didn't show on us. But anyway, today we are trying to see if this table saw is going to fit in the stand we built. Like I said last time, make sure you dry fit your tools before you build it on. You can close it in and make it look nice and pretty, because I'm a little nervous about this, but let's figure it out together. Gotta get the plastic off first. Well, bad news, doesn't fit. Good news is we can fix it. But bad news is it doesn't fit. So make sure you tune into the next video and we'll see how we put it together. But right now you can tell this doesn't look like that's how it's supposed to go. So in our next video, we'll figure out how to make it fit, okay? And hopefully the other guy will be here, because I could use an extra hand on this one. Thanks for checking us out. Make sure you subscribe to Two Guys in a Toolbox, and we'll catch you later. Bye.